What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with another video. Jeff from A Little Bit of Everything Home Services. Today I am going to be talking about the Ridgid Sawzall. I'm at a job and I came to do some trimming of this bush, of this tree. All I had was a picture and I thought it was a really big tree that I had to cut down. I had brought my saw and everything else and got here and I was like, well, let me show you. You just need a few limbs cut down. So I figured, all right, I don't really need my big old chainsaw for that. I can use the Sawzall. And you would think, oh, the Sawzall is just for, you know, it's for tearing stuff down and cutting stuff. Yeah, for cutting stuff, but you can get the attachment, not attachment, but the blade for it, that a pruning blade. And I have a pruning blade. Right here, pruning blades. So I am going to put it into action and show you this thing can do more than just demo. It's a simple job today. I mean, I got several jobs lined up today. I'm busy as all get up, getting a late start. But nonetheless, see that? All right, so let's start with this bigger one that's hanging over the driveway right there. Now I could have brought my saw easily and took care of that, but let's just use this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, made it super simple, right? Without bringing out the big chainsaw and all that. It looked like a really quick job when I pull it up, and then as you start cutting, you realize there's a little bit more to it. I'm running short on time, so I need to hurry up. So let's trim it. The whole point is just get it so people can walk by here. All right, so you also have another option here, and I like to use these. They're less intrusive, better on the tree. go. You can walk by there, no problem. Such a waste, all these apples. The Ridgid application can be used in many applications, family. For those of you out there who didn't realize that it had that capability, I've had that Sawzall for a while, about 6 years, I want to say. I think at least 5. I know it's been at least 5 years I've had it, and I've used it for so many things. I can't even begin to tell you so many things I've used it for. Whether it was for just cutting some wood I needed cut for a job, or even though I have other different type of saws, or if it was for, you know, cutting in to a stud, or regardless. It has been nothing but worth every dime. Worth every dime. Now I regret taking my blower off here, because when I went back after I saw this job, it's like, I'm not gonna need my blower. I'm just gonna have to cut two little branches off and be done. But it was a little more than what I thought. But it's okay. Still didn't take any time. All right, so now I need to get to this yard waste facility before they close. So I got probably about 15 minutes to get there, get in there. Once I'm in there, I'm good. I may come back here and blow. That's the Ridgid Sawzall in action, and it is yet to disappoint. So I am happy with it, like I said. Okay, family, the race is on. I have 10 minutes to make it to the yard waste facility. Actually, I only have 10 minutes because they closed that gate, trust me, on time or a few minutes earlier. I've been there. They've closed this gate before, 10 minutes before they were supposed to close. Now, with everything that's going on with the pandemic, they've changed their hours. Why they changed their hours, I don't know, because I mean, it's a yard waste facility, so nobody's close to anybody. I mean, you go through there, you drive, you pay, and then you dump your stuff off, and nobody's having contact with each other. You know, the spaces are even spaced out apart naturally. So I don't know why they're doing that, but they changed the hours, and Saturday is normally a busy day for a lot of companies. You know, and the same for me. This guy's over here getting it in. But he just stopped. I was gonna show you. He is working out. I mean, he's running, and then he stopped and was doing push-ups, and it's 90 degrees out here. This brother is hardcore. Anyway, so I don't know why they changed the hours, and you know, they close now. They used to close at 4 on Saturdays. Now they close at 1. I'm like, that's the busiest day for a lot of companies, you know. So a lot of landscaping companies. So I don't know why they did that. And then during the week now they close early as well. So it makes it difficult, you know. But I think I'm gonna make it. I think I'm gonna make it because I'm only about 3 minutes away. I got 7 minutes. So as long as they didn't close the gate. Now, if they close the gate early, I'm in trouble. And the reason I say I'm in trouble is because that gate, that trailer back there is loaded up with those limbs, and I have lawns to do today. I have all kind of stuff to do today. So I can't afford to not get this stuff off, because if I can't get this stuff off of this trailer, I can't put my equipment on. And it's hard to get here during the week because of my busy schedule. So, oh, it looks like I see a truck coming out of there. So, and I don't, let me see if that gate, woo, yes, the gate is still open. Oh my goodness, and this line is long. This line is long. So now they close, yep, on 1 on Saturdays, like I said, and 3 during the week. So, but I mean, but that's partially my fault. I can't blame them for their hours. It is what it is. I should have got up earlier and got this knocked out. Plain and simple. I shouldn't have stayed up so late, and doing so now I'm chasing the clock. So that's all my fault, and I take responsibility for that. So I'm not gonna get everything that I want to get done today. So what I had planned for today, what I was supposed to get done today, is I was supposed to install a faucet, install 2 ceiling fans, do an AC checkup. Let's see, what else was it? And there was something, I got to look at my list. And then, oh yeah, and do about 7 lawns. I know I'm pushing it, right? You say, really? You trying to do all that? So, but anyway, I'm here, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the yard waste facility, guys. This is the yard waste facility, family. And you pull up and you go on the scale and they weigh you, and you got to give them your license plate and all that good stuff. So this is the area where they sell like mulch and stuff, but I don't get my mulch from here. I get it from a place called the Mulch Masters. But through here, once you get through here, there'll be an area where you can dump off your stuff, and I'll show you. So as you can see, driving back here, those far over there to the right, you see where trucks are all lined up over there. So they pull in the back and they just unload right back there. Now that's what I call getting it done. Made it here in time. Unloaded I wish I could have recorded it for you guys unloading, because if you load your trailer up a certain way, you can grab those them and just pull them, and all of them, if you don't have a heavy load there, just come all pulling off and make your job so much easier. Anyway, YouTube family, I want to thank you for taking a moment out to check out my video, for looking at one of the main things I wanted to show in this video was the Ridgid Sawzall, and that thing, like I said, I have a lot of Ridgid line tools, and the reason I have them, I do Ridgid, is for the warranty. They have a really nice warranty on their equipment, on their tools. So that's why I do Ridgid. But don't get me wrong now, I'm a Milwaukee fan, I'm a Makita fan as well. So I do have those tools, and a DeWalt. I have all those different tools. I like good quality equipment and tools. That's just a period, because when you get quality stuff, you can depend on it. Anyway, family, thank you again for taking the time out of your busy day to check out the video. More to come. Hit that subscribe button, that like and subscribe button, and you'll be able to catch the videos as they are posted. All right, family, have a blessed day.